When it comes to assets, we also have investments. Over the last decade, a number of millionaires and billionaires have been created through investments in stocks, real estate, and cryptocurrency, to name a few.
The best place to learn about the present state of the real estate market is inside of a bank.
If done correctly, the same can be true today. The first person that comes to mind when discussing stock investing is Warren Buffett.
There are two rules of investing, according to Warren, and he learned this from Ben Graham.
Rule number one, never lose money. Rule number two, never forget rule number one.
He has accumulated a multi-billion-dollar fortune primarily through purchasing stocks and businesses, making him one of the most successful investors in history. Those who put $10,000 into Warren's investment firm, Berkshire Hathaway, in 1965 are now worth more than $60 million.
I like to sit and think, and I spent a lot of time doing that, and sometimes it's pretty unproductive, but I find it enjoyable to think about, particularly about business or investment problems. They're easy. It's the human problems that are the toughest. Sometimes there aren't any good answers with human problems. There's always a good answer with money.
It makes sense to include assets in your efforts to build wealth, particularly if you want to do it over the long run. When you are new to business, you put in a lot of effort to trade your own time for cash, and then you find out how to leverage this arbitrage to create a real business. Few people are aware of this process since they never think like business owners, but every successful business owner is aware of it. Now that you do, we hope you will use it to your advantage.